Good morning, my dear students. In this video, we go to see the poem I Dream of Spices written by Raj Armugam. This poem is very interesting, simple and very interesting. This poem is also a narrative poem. Who is the narrator of this poem? A small little boy, Raju. Raju is the narrator of this poem. In the first stanza, shall we move on the poem? In the first stanza, my mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves and ginger and garlic. In the first stanza, Raju's mother, called him and gave him a list of items to be bought from Muthu's shop. What are they? Cinnamon, betel leaves and ginger and garlic. Okay. The second stanza. And so I go to the shops singing all the way, and when Muthu asks me what I want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. In the second stanza, being a small little boy, he goes to the Muthu's shop and singing happily all the way, he forgets everything. When Muthu asks him, what does he want? He forgets everything. At the same time, I rattle off your list. What do you mean rattle off? Rattle off here means recite. Rattle off here means recite. What do you mean recite? Tells. The different kind of items: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. But his mother tells him to buy cinnamon, betel leaves and ginger and garlic. But he gets from Muthu's shop sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Okay. In the last stanza, and back home, mother twists my ears, ouch. After getting these different kinds of items, Raju returns home. His mummy gets angry and twists his ears due to his poor memory. In the last stanza, you can find the word ouch. What do you mean ouch? Ouch is a kind of sound that expresses in pain. When his mummy twists his ears, he feels pain and makes sound ouch. Okay? Here, my mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops singing all the way, and when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. And back home, mother twists my ears, ouch. Okay, dear students, in this video, in this class also, I will give you dictation words. You write and send in the WhatsApp group. Okay, bye. See you.